Hello children, myself Sridevi Singh ma'am, your English teacher is back. Today I am going to teach you about articles. They are also called as determiners. A, an and the are called articles. Do you know children how many types of articles are there? Yes, there are two types of articles. They are definite article and indefinite article. The is known as definite article. A and an are known as indefinite articles. Come on children, now let us learn in brief about articles. A is used before a word beginning with a consonant sound. Example, you can see children, the word bus. It starts with a consonant sound. So, we have used an indefinite article, a bus. So, in the same way, the word chair, cow, girl, pen, zebra, flower starts with consonant sound. So, we did add a article before them. Now, let us know when to use the article an. An is used before a word beginning with a vowel sound. Example, you can see children, the word aeroplane starts with vowel sound. So, we are supposed to add article an before it. In the same way children, here are few more words such as an apple, an egg, an ice cream, an owl, an umbrella, etc. These are the words which start with vowel sound. So, we are supposed to use an before them. Pay your attention children, as I want to express a note. That is, a and an articles are used with countable nouns only. Now, it's time to know when to use the definite article the. The is used to refer to a specific place, person, object, or when we know which one we are talking about. Example, the Ganga flows in India. The moon is a satellite of the earth. The White House is in America. The Ramayana is a holy book. The rose is a beautiful flower. Now it's time for home assignment. Fill in the blanks with a, an and the. First, dash elephant has a trunk. Second, have you read dash Quran? Third, dash ox carries loads. Fourth, I ate dash orange and dash melon. Fifth, I need dash umbrella. Sixth, dash Yamuna is a river. Seventh, dash egg is good for health. Eighth, would you like dash cup of tea? Hope you have understood all and you solve in a best way and do better. Thank you.